go through the process now of opening up a brokerage account and placing your first trade. So, my preferred broker is really degiro. Degiro is fairly new, very low commission as you can see, um, but it's very reliable as well. Uh, Basically, to open up an account is very simple. You just click here, create an account. Just go through the process of putting in your details, and it will probably ask you for your PPS number. And it will once you're done with that information, it will give you a bank account so you can transfer your money to, and it will be DeGiro's bank account, and they will know that it's you by the details you provide. So it will take 3 business days to activate your account after you've made the transfer. Um, so basically, my first transfer was actually €60. That was when I just wanted to see if the money would actually go through, and it did. The account opened up. I was very shady about this company, but it proved to be very reliable. So my account was active after 3 days when I made the transfer, and basically you're good to go once you've made that transfer. So you don't need much money to begin. €60 or even less. I don't think there is a limit on how much you can transfer. But once you're done, you can just once you've set up and your account is active, just go into log in here. Um, I'm already a client, so I'm gonna have to pause this video and block out some sensitive information. So I'll see you when I'm back. Okay, guys. So basically, once you're logged in, this is what you'll see. This is the platform. This is your portfolio, basically. So here, the balance is how much money you have right now altogether with the portfolio and the cash funds. The portfolio is how much money you have in the stock market invested, um, and the holdings. Cash funds is how much cash you have in your account, and available to trade is how much you can actually afford to be investing. And because usually, when you make an order, it goes through, and it will be deducted from available to trade unless you cancel it. So it's really that simple. You'll figure the rest out yourself. To make an order, though, I'm just gonna change this. To make your first order, you just go in here, quick order. I know it's blocked. The black thing is covering the screen, but you can see the bar. We'll just search for a stock here. I will search for Apple, as you would expect. It's first. So basically, you're presented with this platform. The price at the moment for Apple is 107.73 per share. So in order to buy um, those shares, you've got limit order and the rest here. So what limit order means really is that if you want to buy the stock, you don't want to pay that price for the stock. You want to pay 106, and then a limit order will say buy the stock when the price goes down to 106, and market order just means that you're willing to pay that much, and it's just you go straight into a position. Once you put market order in, it will buy the stock for that price. So basically, we'll put how much shares here how many shares we want. So 100 here for limit order. Put in 106. It will usually give you the amount. So this is how much it will cost you. And day order here is basically saying that you want, if the order doesn't go through on the day, cancel it. And good till cancelled means basically wait until until the order goes through. So it could take 2, 3, 4 days, or weeks until the price goes down to 106. So basically, when you're done, you just place an order, and when the price reaches 106, which is what we wanted, or if we're going for market order, if the price, if we put 100 and place order, we'll straight away buy the stock for that price, buy the shares for that price. And this is your current positions. So this is how much you have invested in Apple, and this is current securities. This is how many shares you have with the company. So literally that's it. For buying shares, you just place the order, and that's it. But I recommend you study more about the stock and the company, and visit the website to find out more. Reallifemonopoly.com. Basically, to sell, it's the same thing. You've got limit order, which means you want to sell when the price reaches 109, for example, and you've got your 100 shares. Similarly, day order and good till cancelled, but I recommend leaving good till cancelled for everything, unless you're day trading. Um, so yeah, this is it. If you want to sell at the current price of the market, you just go in here, and it will sell straight away. For example, if the price is 110 right now, when we bought it for 107, and you want to sell it at 110, you don't want to wait for it to go up. You're happy with the profits you've made. You just go in and market order straight away. You'll sell. But if you want to limit order until the price, for example, goes to 120 or something, um, that's where you should be putting limit order, and you place your order. So your orders will be displayed here. Once they've gone through, they'll disappear, and your portfolio will be added to your portfolio. And that's really it. You've just acquired paper assets. It's that easy. So stay tuned onto this channel. I'll have more videos. I will teach you more, and basically visit Real Life Monopoly. And I'll see you in the next video.